Hey everyone, Anastasia here. Since you're watching this video, I assume you're trying to get into dropshipping. Or maybe you've already started, but you're struggling to find the right products. Because there is a problem with traditional product sourcing. Maybe you are spending weeks trying to create viral organic content, or you're burning through hundreds of dollars on advertising that just doesn't convert. You spend hours scrolling through supplier sites trying to find reliable manufacturers, comparing prices and figuring out if a product is even worth selling. Now imagine if you had a personal sourcing assistant who could do all of this for you instantly. We truly live in amazing times when AI tools like the one that I'll show you today can help you get better results 10 times faster. I will show you how you can cut the entire process down to minutes, automatically shortlist the best suppliers, and even validate if a product is worth selling before investing $1. So how can you instantly find the right suppliers? The biggest problem with sourcing is the manual work. Most people will have to search a marketplace and scroll through endless results. They will have to click through multiple pages just to find a decent supplier. And then they will have to message suppliers and wait for responses without even knowing if the supplier is worth it. But I recently found this AI-powered sourcing platform called Accio, and you will find a link to it in the description below. Instead of spending hours filtering through results, you can just type in exactly what you need in plain language and instantly get the best options. So what does Accio do for you? It uses 7,600 product category insights to match you with the best suppliers. It scans over 400 million products from Alibaba, AliExpress and more, cheap and highly profitable. And it also shortlists suppliers in seconds. Now let's see it in action. Let's jump into Accio's brand new feature called Deep Search. For example, let's say you want to source eco-friendly water bottles for an online store. Instead of digging through supplier directories, you can just enter something like, I need biodegradable bottles, 200 units, shipping to the US, pastel colors, luxury style. Now, I want to go with this deep search option to get the best results possible, and then I'll just click search. It warns me that the process will take a couple of minutes, which is fine as long as we get better results, right? And I actually find it really interesting reading through the thought process of this AI. For example, in my prompt, I didn't mention the keyword eco-friendly, but AI is smart enough to figure this out from the word biodegradable and make a better research based on that. It also figured out that for a luxury style, it makes sense to add some products with gold foil. It automatically refines my request, it cross-checks industry data, and on the results page, I can see which manufacturers are verified on Alibaba and match my needs. If you hover over this green text that says matches 5 requirements, you will see a floating window that shows more specifically which of the requirements were met. In this case, it is a biodegradable bottle, the colors are pastel pink, green and blue, and it's also luxury style. I can also click here to check more product details on this one, for example. See, I get here the full picture with more product photos, more information about the materials and product features, and even some reviews from sellers who already worked with this supplier. So, great news for you! No more filtering through irrelevant products and no more dealing with unverified manufacturers. And if I need to adjust my requirements, since I didn't specify that I needed just water bottles, quite a few results were bottles like these for spraying or whatever, so not for drinking. I just need now to click on this edit icon next to the prompt and add the word water here. Click apply and it will adjust the results. See, there are now only bottles for drinking here. You could also do some other adjustments like the minimum order quantity or supplier location, and you can do that instantly without starting your search over. And you know what's one of my favorite parts? You can hover over the product image like this and you will see this little button compare. I will click on this button on several verified suppliers and it will start adding them to my comparison list. Then I can click here on this link below to see the full list. And now I can see in one place a lot of information about all of the suppliers that I selected. I can see that some suppliers have a lot faster response time, like this one under 1 hour, while some others take up to 5 hours to reply. I can also see the store rating and even how many people rated it, because most stores have quite good rating here, otherwise they wouldn't even show up in the AI results as verified. But I also noticed that some stores have a lot more reviews, so their rating is more reliable. Here is a query button. You can contact the suppliers directly by clicking here. This is actually the first time it asked me to sign up with my email address. Once you do that, you will be able to send your messages to suppliers. This means I can quickly find the best supplier and make an informed decision. Now let's talk about how to validate a product idea before spending money. One of the biggest mistakes new sellers make is jumping into a product without validating if it's profitable. Instead of blindly guessing, in Accio you can now get market data and supplier cost analysis upfront, so you know if there is actually demand for the product, what the real wholesale price is, and expected profit margins. Let's say you're thinking about launching a luxury pet brand, but you're not sure if high-end pet accessories actually sell. Instead of searching manually, you can just click here on the Business Research button and get an instant business report. See here, it starts with Market Overview and it looks like this market is expected to almost double in the next 10 years. I really liked this section with the key trends in this niche. For example, I didn't know that 80% of buyers of luxury pet products also prioritize eco-friendly materials. And then it's important to know that products for dogs take up to 60% of the market share, so it's worth focusing on dog products. Luckily, I have this cute one and it makes it easier for me to work in this niche. You can see the demographics for the market. And then check out a few recommended products like orthopedic pet beds, GPS pet collars, and my favorite table is here. It shows you the price that you can get for some of these products from suppliers that Accio found for you, and check at what price range the product is sold on different Amazon stores, so you can get an idea about the profit margins in this niche. With this kind of data-backed validation, you don't waste your money on the wrong products. And this isn't just for brand new sellers. Even if you're already running a store, it helps you spot profitable new product opportunities before your competition does. So if you're tired of wasting hours on sourcing and you want a smarter way to find suppliers and validate your product ideas, try Accio for yourself. I've added a link to it in the description where you can test this out. I highly encourage you to try it on your PC for the full experience, and it's limited time free on the PC. And if you do try it, let me know what niche or product type you found with Accio. Drop a comment below and I'd love to hear how it worked for you.